This is RSKsys Intl for risk for July 31st, 2017, and this is a market alert. Where are we going to be headed in the market in the months ahead? We believe that there's strong evidence to suggest that a major correction is on the horizon. We would anticipate that this correction will have taken place probably no later than October of 2017. From an analytical standpoint, the VIX has hit an all-time low in the month of July. We hit a low, as shown here, of 884. That is the lowest the VIX has ever been in recorded history. The last time the VIX was even close to this number was back in December of 1993, when we hit a low of 8.89. Again, our low in July was 884. We are clearly overbought. That aside, look at what else. The CCX indicator has shown a divergent pattern. We're hitting higher highs, but not lower lows on this indicator. And for that reason, and of course this indicator is sitting on the VIX. We should be getting lower lows on the VIX. We're not. We're getting higher lows. That's divergent. That indicates an impending drop in the Spoos with a commensurate move up on the VIX. The premium shown here, measured by the RSX, is already beginning to move down. But in particular, we look at the lower lows on the premium over this period of time. Very troubling is the low from June of 2016. At that time, the market hit a low of 1964.50. We have not tested that level. The premium indicates that we will. And there's good reason to anticipate that when you look at the market profile. If we go back to the lows of February of 2016, the point of control is at 2144.50. That's the composite market profile since February of 2016. The low value area is at 1829.75. Well below the 1964 level anticipated by the premium. That would place us somewhere right in here. And we anticipate that this market will in fact begin to drop. And there's a strong indication from the analytics that we could be looking for a very major correction of nearly 500 points on the S&P 500. Go figure that on the Dow. For that reason, and because of the political climate being as dicey as it is right now, we figure by October we may be able to have seen a major drop take place, potentially starting in August, but no later than October. That's based on what we can see historically. Whether or not that happens, hard to say. But the indications from the analytics are fairly solid. So watch out over the next few months. Be careful if you're long. I'm RSKsys Intl for risk.